This is the initial process within the ITIL Service Lifecycle. It helps companies learn about their objectives and how to plan to satisfy customer needs. Companies can make good strategies by seeing what is required in the market and what they currently offer. There are 5 major processes within the service strategy stage. 1. Service level management. This process assists an organization to plan and determine how the services are to be delivered. 2. Service catalog management. This guarantees that there is a well-defined and current list of services for the customers. 3. Capacity management. This methodology ensures the systems and services are sufficiently resilient to support business requirements without compromising. 4. Managing availability: This is a procedure that ensures services to operate and be operational whenever customers need them. 5. IT service continuity management. This process is designed to maintain the operation of services during disasters or disruptions. Service transition. It is the third phase in the ITIL life cycle. It enables services to move seamlessly from one phase to another, for example, when change or significant changes take place. It maintains services in a stable state while introducing new ones, and it minimizes risks. There are 7 processes in it. 1. Managing change. This procedure helps firms manage change while ensuring service quality. 2. Change evaluation. This process checks how well the changes will be applied before and after making them. 3. Releases and deployments management. This procedure is in charge of allowing new software to be introduced in the business. 4. Service testing and validation. Service operation. It is the 4th stage of the ITIL life cycle. It runs services on a daily basis and maintains them in an optimal state. It aims to deliver value to customers while maintaining adaptability to evolving business requirements and technology. It consists of 5 significant processes. 1. Handling incidents. This procedure corrects service issues in real time. They can range from resetting passwords to fixing printer errors. 2. Problem management. This is a process which examines what failed and tries to prevent them from happening again. Conclusion. The ITIL guideline assists companies in managing their IT services more effectively through well-defined processes. Every phase of the ITIL life cycle, from strategy to continuous improvement, plays a crucial role in delivering good, effective, and customer-focused services. Adhering to these phases enables companies to respond to evolving needs, reduce risks, and deliver greater value in the long run.